What safety precautions should be taken when using tree removal equipment? Essential safety precautions when using tree removal equipment include wearing proper personal protective equipment, PPE, such as hard hats, safety glasses, ear protection, and cut-resistant gloves. Operators should be thoroughly trained in equipment use and follow manufacturer guidelines. Regular equipment maintenance, establishing a clear work zone, and using proper rigging techniques are also crucial. It's always recommended to hire certified professionals for complex tree removal tasks due to the inherent risks involved. At Stump Eater Tree Service, our dedicated experts prioritize safety in every tree service. For your free quote, call us today at 659-796-6694.